battery health is already 78%, and the camera has a dot which shows every time I use it. I don't know what it is. I was actually thinking of getting the black variant, but my husband said what is the most popular among iPhone users nowadays, and it suits me better. Well, I couldn't agree more. This phone has a comfortable grip to use. It's not too big, but a bit heavier. Maybe because of the camera, but that's exactly why people choose this phone, the camera, so it's definitely okay.
English.
Grabe South Korea.
Uh-huh, South Korean. Okay, done. No more. You need to change the camera.
For the tempered glass, I'm using the Glass Screen Pro Premium, which also has anti-spy feature. While for the case, I opted for a MagSafe Clear Fit. Bye bye! I ordered this yesterday from Kupang, the Yoichi Atlas iPhone high-speed wireless charger.